4-legged robot that can be used in all kinds of industrial setup in the country. It can go into places which are hazardous, where human beings should not or cannot.
Industries like oil and gas, it's like very common in the UAE, so we are very excited to come here so that ANYmal can improve the safety of the workers, like that can reduce this exposure to hazardous environments. So we are excited about deployment in all those areas where we can really make a difference.